Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Please make sure to follow me on those other channels so you can see exclusive things that, what I'm doing at that moment in time. Because, girl batch creates over here. Okay, so, and if you are new here, hey, how you doing? Why don't you join our unicorn family? Come on, girl. I know you want to. Hit that subscribe button. And it's free. And I appreciate you. And thank you for clicking on my channel. And if you are my budget besties, thank you so much for returning. You guys are my favorites. I love you guys. And thank you so much for supporting my channel. It has been a journey, girl. It has been a journey. So today we're going to do our cash count. And we are going to try to cash stuff some my variable expenses for this video. And then you know that how it goes. I'll try to get these videos out to you in a good, timely manner. Because I have, since March Madness, girl, I was trying to put up a video every day. And I almost tapped out. almost tapped out at the very end. At the very end, I was struggling, girl. I was struggling. I was like, ooh, okay. But we almost made it to having a video out almost every day, which that was like the goal. So let me get my egg, put this to the side, and this is my little egg that I got, and it's a fingertip moistener, and I just bedazzled it. So make sure I put the little cap on it back. And we are going to count these. I'll turn that on. And I got some new 50s. So these 50s are really new. Okay. Sorry if you see like little stains on my counter. On my desk. It's because I was bedazzling stuff and that glue gets on here. If you have any tips on how to get, glue off of there, I might use the magic eraser and see if that will help to get, these little glue stains off. But all right, let's get going. So I have 5, 10. Oh, these are really new. 5, 10, 50. Well, 5, 10, 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 350. So we're gonna put that in there. Oops. I don't know why it does that. 350 plus. Put that right here. And we got our 20s. So we have 20, 30, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. So I have 280 for 20s. Grab these 10s. So I have 10. Oh, let me face it the right way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 110. And we got our 5s. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Zip goes right there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Okay, you guys, so we have $841 going in. And sorry, this is the stains I'm talking about, if you don't know. So $841. Let's go ahead and grab my wallets. And I'm thinking about switching out my envelopes. So let me see. I am thinking about switching out my envelopes. So for gas, I think we're gonna do for the week. So we got 20, 35. Because I was gonna do 50 and I was like, well, we're doing it for the week, so. So I try to do like split up my paychecks for per week. I'm paid bi-weekly, but I try to do my cash stuffings at least every week. So it'll, you know, go to the next week. But okay, groceries, girl. Okay, so we got 50, 60, 70. Let's see, 60, 70, 80. Let's do 70, 90, 100. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Cause girl gotta eat. Fast food, I actually been doing really good with fast food. Self-care. We might come back to this. Miscellaneous, I'm gonna put $20. And you know I gotta do something with my snacks. So we're gonna put another 20 in snacks. Alrighty, and then I did get some coins. So let me cash stuff those. So let's get some of these coins out of here. So they're supposed to be receipts, but I need to make me another coin pouch because those little zipper parts fell off. So I have to make me another one, which is fine. Okay. So we're gonna add some of these. Okay, so it's saying 86.28 that it's a rough guesstimate, but I could believe it. $86.28. I definitely can believe it. So I'll put this to the side. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Nice, short, and sweet. And we did our variable cash stuffing and we did our coins. So I'll see y'all in the next video for our monthly cash stuffing, girl. Because you know how I break them up, and I feel like you guys enjoy more the shorter videos than the longer videos. So I'll see y'all later, and I hope you have a great day. All right, see you later. Bye. Yeah, yeah, yeah.